Hi, Databricks community. I have great news to share with you all. On June 11th, Databricks company has announced the launch of Databricks Free Edition. What does it mean? We already have Databricks Community Edition, Express Edition, and all, but then this free edition has been launched by Databricks so that all the community, from students to hobbyists to the aspiring professionals, can benefit from it, and they are giving free access to full capabilities of their platform, which you don't find in your community edition. In community edition, you are observing that we don't get to see the Delta Live tables, we don't get to use the SQL editor, the SQL warehouses. So all those are now possible with the Databricks free edition. Let us see how can we set up a Databricks free edition account. I'm at the URL related to the Databricks free edition. As you could observe from here, it can give you capabilities to build AI applications and agents. You can do machine learning projects. You can work very well with the SQL editor, and they are giving you serverless features and all. You can build dashboards, you can build data pipelines, you can even access the Databricks Assistant, the Gen AI application, which can speed up your code development. So all these are possible. So how do we go about signing up to that? Here we have the link, and let us try to set up free edition account. I will be entering the required Gmail ID. This sends verification code to our account. Let me find and fill it. It's here. Account name, let me keep it as data test. Continue. Let us choose the country of our residence. We are supposed to choose the country or the region that is nearer to us for optimal performance. Continue. Start the puzzle. So it is asking us to point this chair in the direction of the hand, and yeah, this should be fine. Or is it like this? No, this should be fine. Submit. So now it is asked to point in this direction. Okay, done. Now comes the house. House should be pointed in the direction of the hand. This should be fine. Let us see. That wasn't quite right. This house is creating. How is it? Are we good? Yes. This car, we have to rotate it in the direction of the hand. This is too far. This brings to this direction. So is it then? This should be okay. Shoe. This should be fine. Verification completed. Great. We are signing in now. See, very cool thing. We were not having so many features in the community edition. Now they are giving it for free with this free edition. We can do data engineering, we can do data analysis and machine learning related stuff as well. Small restrictions uh, will be there, of course, with respect to usage of the compute and all. Fine. Here you could easily find this is a Databricks Free Edition, and it gives us all the access. Data engineering one, AIML one, the SQL one, everything that we would have got from the Enterprise Edition. Almost all of the features are there, and we should be able to play around. Let's go to compute and check what we have here. We don't get to create all-purpose compute, job compute. We don't have such kind of things. All we have is the serverless feature. Very nice. Let's go to create this. Let us just start it. It is already there, provisioned for us. Let us simply start it. In less than, I think, 60 seconds, we should have this server up and running. We should be able to go to SQL editor and execute certain simple queries here. Select, let us say, current metastore or something. Let us run it. Let us just close this one. So it is giving us details of the metastore. So this workspace is Unity Catalog enabled. What is Unity Catalog? We will discuss it in other video, but this is an indication that you are at the Unity Catalog enabled workspace. You can check it from here as well, the catalog. Here you get to see the metastore to which it is connected and all. Fine. We have been given the options of adding external locations, okay, creation of the credentials. All these are permitted to us. Very nice. Let us check how to work with the notebooks. Workspace here. Go to create. We have notebook option. Let us say sample. Yes, done. Now connect when we say there is serverless option available to us. So we need not worry about creating the cluster and all. Very cool again. Let us print some message here. Print free edition. Execute. Cool, right? We are able to do it in almost no time. Even they are giving way for our CLI. Okay, all these are available to us. Even the Databricks assistant is there, which is the uh, which is like our ChatGPT and Gemini, right? We can uh, write prompt here, and it can generate some code related to our development and all, right? So we have this Databricks assistant available at the code level as well. So for example, let me ask here, create a simple table representing employee data. Okay, representing employee data and populate some records. Let us ask it. Very nicely. You could see since it is a Python notebook, it is creating a data frame for us. So though I asked for a table, it created data frame because maybe it is the Python cell that we are into. Let us change it to SQL and let us write the prompt again. Create a simple table for employee and insert records, let us say. So it's giving us these options, right? creatable, and if you want, we can accept it, and we are good to go. Right. So this way, free edition is very handy for us. It's great thing to practice upon a variety of the things that are offered. Is there anything missing? I don't think so. Even we have workflows, we have pipelines, everything is there. Very nice thing come at the right time when we are starting the series on the Databricks. So now I think these learnings will reach to larger community and you should be able to practice these all without spending money, right? Stay tuned. We'll be launching uh, newer videos with the new concepts.